all the teams in the UAAP this season, there is one team that stands out with their physical brand of basketball. And I think we should talk about it, you know?
Ito, ako ngayon, bago kayo magsalita, sasabihin ko na ngayon pa lang na hindi ako sang-ayon sa nangyayari sa ginagawang brand of play, Bad Boys, Detroit Pistons, wannabe style ng FEU. Biased ako
Ba't ka ba nanginginig?
Basta, yun, sinasabi ko na.
Para hindi bias muna. Job, you've seen the games, you've covered the games. So what have they been doing that is irritating Jai and is making Jen want to defend his school?
Ako lang, it's just a really...
Which school?
Very... Okay, parang sobrang physical style lang talaga. Alam mo yung parang kunwari, wala, parang dead ball na, tapos may unnecessary contact, may bangga dito, may hawak pa rin.
May mamakat galing ng bench.
Parang nagba-box out ka, pero nawakan pa rin yung kamay mo, yung shorts mo, whatever. Parang alam mong wala na siya sa laro parang pag sinabing, oops, time out yung ref. Pero alam mo parang nagprovoke ka, for me, as someone who's watching. Parang hindi na siya called for even those little things that didn't lead to suspensions.
And as you mentioned, there have been some suspensions. RV Bringas is suspended again for throwing his elbows around where they don't belong. And then in the last game against against LaSalle, there was a ball that was thrown by someone on the bench, a friend of Jen's. It's thrown at the end of a LaSalle player. So, Jen, ano to?
Anong tanong mo? I feel na, nadadala lang siguro sila sa intensity ng game or pero meron talagang mga, ba't ka gumaganyan? Pero meron talaga yung mga instances na yung ginawa ni RV and na hindi na talaga dapat ginagawa. Pati yung nasa bench na si Jolas Guerrero. Ayan, sinabi ko na. Tweet ko siya during the game. Sabi ko, bata, huling-huli ka sa camera. Tapos nag-reply naman siya, sabi niya, sorry.
Habang during the game?
Hindi, after na. Pwede rin may cellphone siya habang sa...
Hindi naman siya active, diba?
Hindi naman siya pasok.
Sabi niya na, sorry, nadala lang raw siya sa init ng ulo. Yun.
I think there's one other big incident na Jai wants to talk about. Because this is not a player na. This is an assistant coach. And I think Jai wants to call him out.
Ano ba nangyari?
Well, you know,
kwentong mga Kuya Jai.
When players start acting like this in the game, na ganito yung antics nila, being rough and everything, merong natural na player na ganyan talaga physical maglaro But pag napapansin mo na yung buong team ganito, siguro na yan parang may instructions na to be physical from the coaches.
Okay.
But you know, as a coach, dapat we promote camaraderie, sportsmanship, and especially lahat ng tao nanonood ng UAAP, especially young kids.
At collegiate lang to, hindi naman to professional, diba?
So, I admire actually what FEU is trying to do, their style of play na maging tough, don't be pushovers, diba? But to a certain extent, Coach Norman always says that there's always a very thin line between being rough, playing tough, and being dirty. Diba? So, I hope na yung mga unnecessary actions na sinasabi niya, pamamato ng bola, and yan, si RV Bringas, suspended na naman, diba? So, sana maiwasan natin dahil this is all for the safety of the players. And lalo na off the court, diba? Dapat, usually yung mga players magkakaibigan yan Kahit na Ateneo and LaSalle pa, magkakaibigan yan off the court Kahit anong mangyari sa court, pagdating sa labas, more than likely magbabati yan, friends yan. Pero if you're a coach and you do something, especially to opponent, the player, diba? Hindi na nararapat yun. Dahil, I mean, if you're a coach, tapos kung gusto mo mag-ganon, ang awayin mo yung coach rin. Wag yung
kapwa coach.
Na player. So, I hope masilip ng UAAP to. Because at some point, this has to stop.
Ano ba talaga to? Okay, do you wanna tell the story?
Sige, para na
Here for everyone.
Correct me if I'm wrong sa aking narrative. I was there watching the game live. The first game was FEU versus UP. The second game was Ateneo versus NU in Ultra. Pagkatapos ng game ng FEU-UP, palabas yung FEU, papasok yung Ateneo at the same side. this assistant coach
Sino ba yung
of
nag-layout ng
FEU,
arena ng
hinamon ng suntukan si Nico Salva. Diba?
And then,
Sabi ng mga taga FEU is, may mga nakausap ako na player rin natin na may friends sa FEU na players rin na parang galit talaga yung FEU kay Nico dahil mayabang daw, blah blah blah. Anyway, 'di ba? Nakita ko na nagsumbong na si Nico sa coaches kay Sir Paulo Trilla, and then Sir Paulo told Ateneo Athletic Director Ricky Palu about the incident. And then apparently during halftime, the father of Nico found out na ginawa nga yun.
He heard about the
Oo.
complaints.
So sinugod niya yung coach ng FEU. Sabi niya, ang bottom line is sinabi niya, kung gusto mong mag-away, ako yung hamunin mo, wag yung anak ko. But eventually separate ng bouncers and marami ng Atenista bumababa, and then parang in-advise na lang yung assistant coach na umalis. So, yan yung pinagmumulan ng Buchi ko. Diba?
Jen, yung physical, diba? It's resulted in suspensions. Is it a good thing? Like, is the trade-off worth it? Physical kayo on the court, people are scared of you. Pero, no Bringas, Bella was suspended for their last game. They could fall out of the twice to beat advantage.
well, yun na, sabi ko lang kay Jai, there's a thin line nga between yung pagiging tough at saka yung dirty play na talaga. So, for FEU, kahit na tinatry nyo maging mga bad boys and stuff, pero di naman natin kailangan na during mga dead balls or mga unnecessary actions na manunura ka or something. Di na kailangan yun. Kasi wala naman score yung dura or
Pero kung meron, okay lang.
kung meron, manunura akong
Eh,
maraming
para di sa
tao.
basketball yun.
Pero again, going back sa mga lahat ng manood ng episode na to, o sa lahat na nakakarinig sa kwento ko, correct me if I'm wrong. Kung may,
They can tweet you, diba?
Tweet me again, Jai Reyes 5. If you want to
Jose
enjoy
Rizal.
Hindi
na rin.
Diba? So anyway, yun lang. I just want to make it clear na I admire that the brand of
passion.
tough play that FU is trying to do, but diba, you have to draw the line what is unsportsmanlike already. And I mean, I think sa huling game nila against Lasal, I think it backfired against them.
Did you agree with that? Did it backfire against them? They lost.
Marami silang kulang na players,
diba?
the usual lineups weren't there, so
No Pogoy, no
Pogoy was
Bringas.
there.
No
Si
Bello,
Bello,
no Bringas.
yeah,
Two key
Bringas.
rotation guys. Wala, talo. Kitang-kita naman sa score.
So, your predictions, they play NU. Rematch to. So, the passion is there again, the anger.
yari in yun lang masabi.
And on Jen's note, that we'll see if that happens, and we'll see if anyone will tweet Jai Reyes.
Tweet me.